Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin where I'm going to decorate for the week of May 1st through 7th. And I'm going to be using the Lucky Blooms sticker sheet from According to Allie. I love Allie stickers because they are hand-drawn by her and they're so happy. I mean, look at that. And you can always use my code Karina10 to get 10% off on her shop. Let's get started. First things first, I'm going to use some of Allie's hexagon washi up at the top. And I'm also going to use some of those stickers as well to create my own little border at the top, because I don't really use the time before 6 a.m. because I'm barely awake at that time, barely human really before 6. So let's put this one over here, or cut it. Yeah, let's cut it. So I'll put 1/2 here. I can't believe it's May already. Like, this is, I say this all the time. I really do. And maybe it's just a fact of getting older, but I feel like just time is going by so fast. Ooh, I like that. I want to put a little something there too. Or, oh, I hate that I'm going to do this. I hate ripping up washi or moving washi. We'll think about that. And then I'm going to place this one down here at the bottom. Although it does end up, I am going to end up covering some of where I put my meal. So maybe if I do it like that, and then I'll just have to cut off that tiny bit on the side there. Okay, then I do want to save maybe a couple of stickers for my Hobonichi weeks. Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah. I'll have to save 2 for the weeks and 1 more for my daily spreads. So, 1 sec. I'm gonna add some of Allie's Sunny Alcohol ink. Maybe just even here. Just to add a bit of yellow. And then I'm going to take this washi again and add, come on, add some more of this washi down here at the corner with, I'm gonna do this, whoever suggested to cut them while still on the sheet. Whoops. So that kind of looks like the alcohol ink is kind of coming out like that. Oh, I really like that. Oh, that's a cute little combination. Yes. You know what? I'm going to leave it like that. It's very simple, but I like it. And then I think I could probably use, yes, I could use some of my daffodil swatches. So then let's go over to the sidebar. I was gonna zoom you in. So in the sidebar, I keep track of my sleeve, which I hand letter in or brush letter in with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. And then I'm going to use one of the swatches, which match perfectly. And this is where I'm going to keep track of my sleeve. Now I'm going to use, I haven't done a currently inked for May yet. That is coming later this week. But I'll be using my, oh, I love this, my Cool Tone Primary Manipulations pen. And it has a purple ink in it. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And I wanted a purple ink in this to match with the florals here. I'm pointing, but I don't even know if that's on the screen. Yeah, the florals up here. And keeping track of my sleep score, which if you look previous week, my sleep is kind of all over the place. And it really, I really need to get back into a proper sleep schedule. Now, in terms of workouts, I took a little break from my weight training at the advice of my acupuncturist, because the weight training that I was doing wasn't doing any favors for my shoulder. So she's reviewing the exercises that I'm doing to see what I can continue doing, what I need to stop doing, what I need to change. So for now, I'm going to just keep track of how many steps I'm doing. I'm still able to do my indoor stepper machine, which I love. Absolutely love it. So I'll just keep track of how many steps I'm doing each day. So let's move to the bottom of the spread. So at the bottom of the spread, I will brush letter in the word meals Monday through Sunday, and then use the daffodils swatches as headers to cover them up. And this is where I loosely track my meals. Say loosely. So now I'm going to go in Monday through Thursday and brush letter in the word work, and then use the same daffodil swatches to cover them up, and then draw in my hours and shifts for the week. All right, now that that's done, let's go into every day and start writing what I need to do. So Monday to-do list is my usual meal plan and order groceries. Then, one thing I forgot to take out are my icons. Where are you? Where are you? There we go. Ooh. So, you guys see me pull this out every week. These are sticker albums from According to Allie. I have 3 of these that hold all of my stickers. So then, excuse me, Tuesday, I have my husband put out the garbage bins. I'm gonna stick to the purple all week. So put out garbage. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday is picking up the groceries. So let's use the shopping cart. I do have another one for groceries, which is the little shopping bag, which is actually really cute. But I want to use these first before I start any new sticker sheet. So pick up groceries. And then a couple of things on the Friday. So where's this scale? My weighing scale for Weight Watchers. And I go to weigh in to keep myself accountable. I'm no longer really trying to actively lose a ton of weight. I'm at about where I need to be, give or take a few pounds. But yeah, and then after that, I am donating blood. So I'm gonna put it down as a heart. So at 11:15, I will be donating blood. What I love about these icons is that they fit perfectly in those hourly, like within the hourly blocks. So 11:15, donate blood. And then after that, I will be filming. Here we go, my YouTube stickers. So I'll probably be filming, whoop, no, why am I putting it on that side? Perfect, and I'll put it here. And I will be filming a couple of things. Ooh, wow. My weeks, my cousin, and probably my currently inked, which will go up on the 6th. And then that evening, because I'm so fun, fold laundry. Yeah, put it here. Oh, one thing I forgot. Hold on, this is important. Fold laundry. One important thing on the Friday, the kids look forward to it every Friday, is when I take them out for bubble tea after school. My daughter, funny enough, she will say, Mom, the only reason I go to school is so that on Friday we get bubble tea. It's like, okay. Here we go. I love that it fits perfectly in that hourly slot. Bubble tea at Coco. Okay. Then Saturday, the kids have their, well, Henry has his last First Communion class from 10 to 12. So let's just put that like that. 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, and then while he's out that day, I will be cleaning. I will be doing some cleaning. I will probably clean the bathrooms that day. So, ooh, what are all these? Let's find a cleaning sticker. And I'll put, whoops, yeah, have them overlap a bit. So I will do bathrooms and the kitchen cabinets and appliances. So that on Sunday, that is when my husband will do his share of the cleaning, and then I will be going to church with Henry and Robin. Where's my heart? Where are the hearts? Can you guys see them? Oh, there. I do need to probably make a church icon. So we go to Mass at 9:30. And then Henry, pretty much immediately after, has Ninja. So I almost want to use this. It's not really weight training, but yeah. So 11:30 to 12:30, Henry at Ninja. All right. So that is all that I have actually that I can think of for now. I don't think there's anything else that I want to add to this. Except for the fact that my husband does have to do cleaning. Just thinking, I'm doing bed linens this weekend. Yes, I am. Okay, so let's clean up this mess here. So that is my spread in my Hobonichi Cousin. I really like it. It's simple, but still bright and colorful and happy. Once again, don't forget you can get 10% off at According to Allie using my code Karina10. And these icons are actually still in my shop as well. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thank you so much and have yourselves a great day.